I'm ready to sign this damn thing, so why don't we just cut to the chase? But I didn't fully appreciate the size of this stage, and you can't begin, as Dr. Weber did, with reciting an old African proverb about going fast but going alone versus going far without going together, without inviting some folks up to the stage for this signing. I would be remiss, for those of you I had the privilege of spending a little time with a moment ago, if you would like, I would love to have you up here for this signing. For those that were deeply influential in helping get this bill to our desk, in addition to those behind me, I would be honored if you would join us up on stage. This would not have happened without all of you, and we would not be doing justice to this moment if I didn't invite you all up. That includes, by the way, these two, the future President of the United States and the Attorney General, who would need to stand in front of this podium on both sides. To the elected officials, the Attorney General, to our Lieutenant Governor.
Where'd they go?
Doc,
Boys go.
Javier, get up here. We're going to test this stage. As everybody assembles, and I went off script. Yeah, you two are in the front. But on both sides. I need you right there. You want to stand in? Yeah, there you go. That's important. So let me just extend my gratitude to everybody up on stage. Let me extend particular gratitude, as has been stated, to Dr. Shirley Weber for her faith and devotion to the cause of justice, to her tenacity, her hard work, her determination, for recognizing good enough never is, for not giving up a year ago where she could have given up, to come back with the kind of moral force that defined the moment. I'm grateful to you, Dr. Weber, for your example. Everybody up here on stage is grateful to you. And in the spirit of some of the comments that were referenced, I think people all across the country are grateful to you, because as California goes, so goes the rest of the United States of America. And we are doing something today that stretches the boundaries of possibility, that sends a message to people all across this country that they can do more and they could do better to meet this moment in their respective states. But one thing we all know, from the speaker to the pro tem to those that were assembled up here and the mayor, is program passing is not problem solving. It's one thing to sign a piece of paper, pass legislation. It's another to change hearts and minds, to change culture, to change the way people conduct themselves, to hold themselves to a higher standard. That's the work that is in front of us. That's the work that's inside of us. That's the work that we collectively as a community need to manifest, at peril of missing this moment and missing the point of this moment. Training matters, yes. Accountability matters, certainly. Transparency, indeed. But culture, changing hearts, changing minds, changing our approach to dealing with one another. I am incredibly cognizant of that responsibility. And that lies deeply, as your governor, in the executive, but it also resides in the leadership assembled around me to hold us to account and hold us to your expectations, which I know are a big part of why you're willing to even stand with us and be on stage at this moment. And so, again, with gratitude, with appreciation, and with a deep sense of responsibility, in a hope that we can reduce the number of lives lost and we can begin to build trust and heal. I'm honored now to sign this legislation, and I'm gratified by this moment. 392 is now law in the state of California. Dr. Weber. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.